Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, chef pasta evangelist, and today we're gonna make broccoli pesto. If you enjoy the pesto, today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing sauce using the broccoli. Let's check the ingredients together. So we have some extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, the broccoli which I have steamed and left under ice cold water. This is very important, so you're going to keep the nice and bright green from the broccoli. Then garlic, red chili, and some blanched almond, and also some pine nuts. Of course, we wanted to add some nice and fresh basil. And now let's prepare the ingredients. We are going to use one garlic clove, which you just need to roughly chop. Then we can do the same with red chili. Let's move the almond. Now, if you want it to keep really nice and spicy, you're going to keep some seeds. If you want a mild taste, then you can simply remove it, which is the hottest part of the pepper. And again, you simply roughly chop the red chili as well. So we got the chili and the garlic ready. Now, for the broccoli, what I want you to grab is a plate, which you want to remove the water that we have placed before to keep the broccoli nice and green. And we have also removed most of the water. And as you can see, the broccoli kept the nice and green color. So now that all the ingredients are ready, you can start making your pesto. You got two different ways. You can use a pestle and mortar, or you can simply use a blender. But make sure you don't blend too much, because you want to get a pesto consistency, which is very rustic, and you can see all the ingredients. So let me show you today how to do in a blender, which is the quickest way. I have started to add the ingredient to the blender, so we start with the pine nuts, the red chili and the garlic. Now we can put a few leaves of basil. You roughly chop as well, don't worry about it. And this is going to add more taste to the broccoli pesto. Then you can go with almond, handful, and a little bit of black pepper. Then we got a pinch of salt, which then I want you to taste and see if you needed to add extra pepper or extra salt. And then we add the steamed broccoli. Don't forget some extra virgin olive oil, and also I want you to add just a little bit now, and then by the time you blend all together, you will see if it's too dry, you can add extra olive oil. And we are ready to mix all together. Now we are ready to blend the broccoli pesto. So before I carry on, I'm gonna add more extra virgin olive oil. As I say, you need to check all the time if you need to add more. So as it's a little bit too dry, I'm going to simply add more extra virgin olive oil. That's it. The broccoli pesto is now ready. I always struggle to open the blender. That's absolutely normal. And I'm going to show you now the consistency. So we have a really nice and pesto consistency, as I say. You really want it to keep the ingredient, you don't want to blend it too much, you don't want to make a sauce. It's nice to see all the ingredients, the red chili, the broccoli, and the garlic, and nuts, the almond and the pine nuts that we have used. So you're going to make sure that all the pesto is out, and you can see the amazing broccoli is ready. You can add also just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and the pesto is ready. I will suggest to pair with a short pasta. It can be orecchiette, strozzapreti, fusilli. You can literally pair any type of short pasta. If you like this pesto, don't forget to subscribe for more pesto recipes.
Very nice. Ingredients?
Ingredients.